Try and land on top. Oh, jeez. Nice, nice.
Am I gonna fall out if I jump off?
Ooh, it's pretty close. Look at this tail rotor. Fucking lucky. As close as.
Who's fucking was this here?
Uh,
I suppose just gonna fly, I suppose, but just...
did you lock the... Yeah. Oh, Jesus. Oh, no. It's bouncing around, man. You see... Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Holy fuck. Ah! Ah! Holy shit. Thought I was a goner there, man. Oh no, the sides through the
Oh no.
sandbags, man. Maybe start the other mozzie up, and like it'll bounce it around again. I'm gonna take cover this time behind these sandbags.
Yeah, it's starting up. Oh. Slows it back even.
Mm, not moving it.
Didn't move this time.
It's moving a little bit. Fuck. All right. How old's your character? 2 days.
3 days now.
3 days. All right. You're gonna throw me the key, and I'll see if I can move it.
Alright.
Oh, oh yeah, that's... Oh no. You're just like drifting off to the left up the field in my screen.
You're walking. Falling off and walking. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh god, this isn't good, man.
It's definitely
Best case scenario, we've lost one mozzie.
worst case scenario of all.
Yeah.
All helicopters are gone.
Yeah. Oh man.
Oh, I don't think it's gonna come back.
No, that's not good. 50 seconds. Usually what gets to 90 seconds, I think.
I don't know if I want it to come back. Engine off.
Oh, don't do that, man. That's a bad move. Wonder if we did this.
Yeah. Good job.
Yeah.
Save that for you for months in case it doesn't come back.
Yeah, I'm gonna